So I have to say, I have mixed feelings about a news article over the weekend. Was that McKinsey and Company settled to pay $650 million in an opioid probe. One of their client was Purdue, who makes or made OxyContin, and of course Purdue got in big trouble, and now McKinsey was doing sales and marketing for them. Now they're into it for more than $500 million. So I have mixed feelings about this. As a marketing professional, I feel like we have a higher moral obligation in what we do than a lot of other businesses. I feel like if I'm selling tires, I'm selling tires, and I'm going to sell tires to anybody, and I don't really care. But with marketing, I feel like if I'm successful, I'm going to convince you to do something. And it feels like that's something that is a bigger deal than selling tires. Nothing against all the people out there that sell tires. But, for example, I quit drinking like 20 years ago. And at the time, I felt like even though producing and selling alcohol is perfectly legal, I felt like that probably wasn't something I should do anymore. I felt like I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to encourage my kids to do it. And it would make me not such a great person to try to convince your kids to drink. So I felt like that was something that I didn't need to do anymore. But there's another side to this. As far as I know, and I do not know the details of these lawsuits, but as far as I can tell, McKinsey was helping Purdue market and sell a perfectly legal product to market it to doctors, to write legal prescriptions to people who needed it. And I have a rough time holding them responsible legally for helping sell and market a perfectly legal product through legal channels. So I'm conflicted there. I feel like that's opening a floodgate of, when the company that makes the knife is going to get in trouble when somebody buys it and runs out and stabs somebody. So that's an extreme example, obviously. But anyway, I am conflicted about that.